Namo Namaha. Welcome to our YouTube channel G for Gave. Guruvayur astrologer and Vedic educator. Kindly see, share and subscribe our channel. It is maintaining to develop and to ensure that our dharma, Sanatana Dharma, will live long after our period also. For that, your help is very much essential. Now again, we are going to spend some time for the interesting subject astrology, and to whom the planets will not affect badly, such as corona or the poverty or some other natural calamities. Likewise, the nasty things will not affect those people whom the astrology answering Deva Brahmana Bhujanat Guruvajas Sambhadanat Pratyaham Sadhunam Abhivashanat Sudhiravas Shreya Kadagarnanad Homad Adhvaradarshanad Sujimanaha Bhavajabadhanadaha No kurvandi kadhaji deva purushasyevam grahaha pidanam. One who is living in a sanatanic way, in which includes Deva Bhujanam, worship the deity concerned, Ishtadevam, Brahmana Bhujanad, give respect the Vaisi people or the educated people, the Vedic people like us, and Guruvajas Sambhadanat Pratyaham, get instruction from wise pupils which will lead to a harmonious life. So give respect to gurus or teachers, and Sadhu Nama Vibhashanad, have touch with sadhus, sajjanas who want to leave this country to enrich the dharmic activity. They don't want anything else other than the dharmic activities. Such people has to live for long time and have connection with that sadhus. Sudhiravashreya Kadhagarnanad, just listen the Vedic mantras which will lead you to help others and to live happy life. Kadhagarnanad, just hear the stories of Rama, Krishna, Yuga Purushas. Likewise, Homad, get part in the fire sacrifices, Adhvaradarshanad, and get connected with the yajnik activities, Sujamanaha. By that, your mind will be pured. And Bhava Jabadhanadad. Get some Upadesham from Gurudaya as per your astrological chart and get your Mantropadesha and keeps on chant that mantra and give as early as possible and as much as possible give dana to the needy. If you live like that, these conditions are given as instruction in astrology. If you are living by following such advices, no kurvandi kadhachi deva purushasyevam graha pidanam. The planets never raise their hand or never raise their eyes on such pupils. That means they will not make suffer you and they will not allow anyone to suffer you. So you will live a long life. According to astrology, one's life is 120 years. So I wish all you should follow such instruction given in our astrological classics and live for long time. As Vedas tell, Shadamanam bhavati shadhayu purushaha shadhendriyaha ayustejhendriye pratitishthati sarvamayuredhi Srirvarchasyamayushyamaro oghyamabhida Stobhamanam mahiyate Dhanyam dhanam pasum bahuputra labham Sadasam vatsaram dhirghamayuhu.